A life-changing event that has happened to me was meeting my boyfriend Ben. Before I met him, I'd had a series of bad relationships through high school and my first year of college that had left me doubtful and hopeless on the idea of love. After breakups, my family would tell me that I would find the one that God had for me when I was ready, when he was ready, and for when God was ready for us to meet, but that I needed to be patient and wait for God to send him to me. Well, I was still doubtful. I was certain that God had decided I was destined to be alone my entire life until my phone rang one day. One day while I was laying by the pool, I looked down and saw a notification from Snapchat. I opened it expecting it to be some guy who just wanted to hook up or something like that. Some funny business. I was off by a long shot. I had never been more grateful for being wrong in my life. This guy, Ben, was asking me on a formal date. No funny business, just a good old-fashioned date. He asked me if he could take me to dinner one night after I got off of work from the hospital, and I knew I had to keep him from the moment I met him. The way he makes me feel every time we are together is something I have never felt before, and will never feel. I don't believe I will ever feel this way with anyone else. He did change my entire outlook on love, and I'm forever grateful that he did. I can't wait to marry this man one day. Don't give up on the idea of love. He changed my decision on whether or not to trust someone and give them a shot. I am so glad that I trusted my gut and went on that first date. The butterflies are still present to this day.